Have you noticed how incredibly fast open-source video generation tools have been evolving lately? It feels like every few weeks there's a wave of new breakthroughs, but one of the most surprising developments is a new model coming out of China that has completely stunned creators around the world. What's shocking is not just that it exists, but how mature the results already look. Smooth and natural character motion, clean lighting, stable reference image control, impressive skin and texture rendering, and a level of scene consistency that, until recently, you would only expect from high-end commercial systems. And the most exciting part is that all of this runs directly inside your browser. No installation, no expensive GPU, no complicated setup. You open a web page, you type your idea, and within seconds, you're looking at a fully generated clip. Today, I'm going to walk you through two platforms. First, an open-source Chinese video generation model that is rapidly becoming a favorite among creators. And second, a multimodal AI studio that brings multiple advanced video architectures into one unified interface. Whether you're a YouTube creator, a short-form storyteller, an animator, a teacher making learning content, or simply someone who loves exploring new tools, the workflows I'm about to show you will be incredibly useful. So make sure you stay until the end, because I'm going to walk through everything step by step and show you exactly how to generate your own high-quality videos starting from scratch. Let's begin with the first platform. When you open it, you'll see several model categories organized very cleanly. Image generation, visual transformation models, video generation, and a handful of experimental models. Since the interface is originally in Chinese, you might want to use your browser's built-in translation feature if you prefer another language, and everything will instantly become readable. To test its image capabilities, I typed in a detailed prompt describing lighting direction, skin texture, environment depth, and overall atmosphere. I then selected a horizontal aspect ratio and chose to generate 2 images. After clicking the Generate button, the platform began rendering immediately on the right side of the screen. Within seconds, the images were ready. Zooming in revealed surprisingly natural shading, realistic material rendering, clean highlights, and very smooth gradients. These results are more than good enough for thumbnails, concept art, or even production reference sheets. Then I moved on to video generation. Inside the video generation category, the newest model appears at the top. Once inside the interface, you can type your prompt, upload a reference image, select your aspect ratio, choose your resolution, and set the duration. For this test, I used one of my previously generated images as a reference, so the model would maintain the same style. I selected 720p resolution for a faster preview and set the duration to its default short length, which is optimized for quick iteration. After clicking Generate, a progress bar appeared on the right side, and within a few seconds, the clip was ready. The video that came out looked very consistent. Natural movement, clean lighting shifts, and a stable interpretation of what I had described in the prompt. If you like detailed breakdowns like this, along with prompt experiments and real production workflows, make sure to subscribe, because the tool I'm about to show you next is even more powerful and gives you access to a wider range of visual models. Now, let's move on to the second tool. On the home page, you'll see the Create Amazing AI Content. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard, and in the top left corner, you'll find a Studio button. Clicking it takes you into the main workspace where everything happens. Inside the studio, the layout is impressively intuitive. At the top, there are several quick access modules: Chat with AI, Video Gen, Imagine, Speech Gen, and Dialogue Gen. These are your primary tools, and each one leads to a separate workflow. If you scroll down a little, you'll see a grid of video generation models, each clearly labeled with its capabilities, supported formats, and whether it's available for free. Let me walk you through how to use it exactly the way the demonstration shows it. I click Video Gen, and a new creation window appears. On the left is the settings panel where you configure your entire video, while the right side will show your generated preview once the process finishes. At the very top, you type your text prompt describing everything from characters to lighting to motion style. This prompt is the heart of the video, so the more descriptive you are, the better the result. Next is the aspect ratio selector, where you choose between horizontal, vertical, or square output. For this demonstration, I select vertical because vertical videos are perfect for short-form platforms. To the right is the resolution setting. The default is 720p, which is ideal for fast previews and still looks sharp enough for editing or sharing. Below that is the duration selector, where you can choose between 10-second and 15-second outputs. I choose 10 seconds since most models are optimized for that length, and it generates more quickly. After verifying all settings, I click the Generate button. A progress bar appears at the bottom of the screen, giving you a clear view of the rendering process. It's fast, smooth, and you can follow the progress in real time. Within a matter of seconds, the clip is ready. I click to preview it. And it's amazing, right? Not only does it generate the full video, but the overall result looks genuinely polished. The motion is clean, the character appearance stays consistent, and the lighting transitions feel surprisingly natural. If you want to save the clip, simply click the download icon at the top right corner. No credits required, no complicated steps. You instantly receive the final video, ready for editing or direct upload. This entire workflow is extremely creator-friendly. It allows you to explore ideas rapidly, make visual tests on the fly, and produce high-quality content without going through long production cycles or dealing with traditional rendering software. As AI video generation continues to evolve, tools like these are giving everyday creators access to production capabilities that previously required full teams, expensive equipment, and long turnaround times. Now is the perfect moment to start experimenting with these models. Whether you're making educational videos, cinematic shots, storytelling clips, or short-form content, these tools can help you execute your ideas faster and more efficiently than ever. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support is my motivation to keep creating.